in Indian polity, we are going to discuss about the types of writs. Okay, so there are 5 writs: habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, and quo warranto. Okay, so these 5 writs are very useful to us because whenever there is illegal detention, so we can secure ourselves by using the habeas corpus. Okay. So, here Article 32 itself is a fundamental right. So, under Article 32, Supreme Court has the power to issue the writs against any person or public authority. So, whenever there is a violation to the fundamental rights. Okay. So, according to Article 226, all high courts have the power to issue the writs whenever there is a violation to the fundamental rights. In the same way, other cases also it can issue the writs. Okay, so this is the importance of the writ powers. Okay, so first one is a habeas corpus. So here habeas corpus is a Latin term which means to have the body. Okay, so it means to produce the body before the court. Okay, so here detention means so the person who keeps in the official custody or giving punishment to the person. Okay, so this is a detention. So to have the body means to produce the particular person who has detained before the court. Okay, so basically the habeas corpus is a writ and which issued by a court, any court. It means a Supreme Court or High Court, to a person who has detained another person. Okay, it means the writ is issued against the person who has detained another person. Here we are securing that a particular person who has detained by another person. Okay, so here the court will examine or inquiry about the legality of the detention. It means legality means is it true or false. So the detention is legally or illegally happened. Okay, so here the arrested or detained person will be released or will be free if the detention is illegal. Okay, it means the court will examine the legality of the detention. Okay. Okay, so you can understand the habeas corpus by seeing this picture, I hope. So here one judge is sitting on the chair and there is another lawyer is there. So he is saying, my client has been detained illegally. I am here to ask for his body back. Okay, so here one lawyer is on behalf of the detained person and he will ask the judge in the Supreme Court or High Court, okay, for asking to produce the body before the court. Okay, so this is the habeas corpus. So by using the habeas corpus, so we can secure ourselves. It means this is one type of personal liberty. Okay, so habeas corpus is a bulwark of the individual's liberty. Okay, it means we can secure ourselves by using the habeas corpus against the arbitrary detention. Here arbitrary detention means illegal detention. Okay, if there is any illegal detention, we can secure ourselves by using the habeas corpus. Okay, so it means the court can give directions or can give writs against any person to produce the body who has detained before the court. Okay, so the habeas corpus writ of a high court can be issued against both, it means public authority or private individuals also. Okay, it means some public authority means police or something important authorities also can detain or arrested any person. Okay, and even private individuals, it means individuals can detain or home arrest any person also. Okay, so by using the habeas corpus we can take back the particular person. It means to produce that particular person before the court. Okay, so this is very important writ power, so which is securing ourselves whenever there is a illegal detention. Okay. Okay, so we talked about habeas corpus and here there are some restrictions to the habeas corpus writ also. Okay, so here the detention is lawful. It means the detention by a government authority maybe is lawful. It means according to the law the person the person was detained. Okay, so in the case of lawful or legal detention, so the High Court or Supreme Court will not issue any habeas corpus writ. Okay, so if the detention is lawful or legal, so there is no habeas corpus writ against any public authority. Okay, and next important the detention is maybe given by the any important court. Okay, it means the detention is issued by the court itself. The important or very important court will detain any person. So this is not under the writ power. Okay, it means the detention is lawful because the court only detain that particular person. Okay, so this is the next important restriction to the habeas corpus writ. And next important thing is detention is outside jurisdiction of the court. It means if the detention is placed outside the jurisdiction of the court, it means outside the any state. So this is not comes under the particular high court point of view. Okay, so next important is the proceedings are for contempt of the legislature or court. Okay, so if the proceedings will be produced by a lawyer before the court, so those proceedings are against the legislature or legislative body or any court, so the writ will be not considered against any person. It means habeas corpus will not work against any person if the proceedings are against the legislature or a court. Okay, so this is all about the habeas corpus. In the next class we will discuss about the mandamus.